I have not heard of any mismanagement, number one. Number two, the CUT exam is conducted by central agencies. It's not conducted by the state government. And therefore, it is completely in their jurisdiction. Number three, for the last many years, we were able to get the exemption because we do not have enough centers. Even now, we don't have enough centers, but at least every region today has a center, and I thank the government of India. Today, Jowai, Shillong and Tura have the CUET center. Third point, which is very important to note, is that the CUET exam, again a reminder to everybody, is mainly for the exams that are being conducted, for college admissions in the center in the NEHU courses, and that is the reason why today, after the amendment to the Captain Williamson Sangma University, we will be able to now affiliate all the colleges from NEHU to the state university, so that any college that is not planning to have any kind of course affiliated with NEHU doesn't need to affiliate with NEHU anymore in the future, and they will affiliate with the Captain Williamson Sangma University, which will then make it very easy for those colleges to then not conduct the CUET exam anymore in the future. Again, as I said, it's not something that that we as state government handle. It's a central government agency that handles this. But if there are certain concerns that are there, we'll be happy to take up. Last time there was some issue even with the NEET exam, again conducted by central agency. We took up the matter as a state government with the agency and asked them to inquire into it. Similarly, if there is an issue with the CUET exam, we will definitely speak to the agency at the center and ask them to inquire into the matter. Could be. The important point is we have the centers now, so that's important. And while there could be teething problems, while there could be certain challenges at certain centers, I'm sure it will improve as we go along. But as I said, what is more important is that now we have many more centers, and in the future we will have many more centers also. I don't have the details of it.
Yeah.
If that is, yeah, if is it okay? So if that is the case, as I said, let there be a proper inquiry, and if there is a concern, if some complaints come in, then we will definitely ask the National Testing Agency to conduct inquiry and take remedial steps. I again want to clarify that this is a test that is completely conducted by central agency, and state government has absolutely no role to play in it.